pretty garbage day here on the coast. It's just drizzling and raining and not very nice. So decided it's going to be a day for getting a bit of footage off my phone and onto the interwebs, and probably clean my shit up because it is absolutely disgusting. We had a few mates going out to Janowen for the weekend, Janowen Fall Drive Park in southeast Queensland, a couple of hours from here. And me and the young bloke thought, bug it, we'll go out for an overnighter and catch up with them. And we got out there, we drove, we just did so much full driving. It was only a couple of us. It was us and Jakey in a Suzuki. We caught up with out there, and another mate had his car out there, but they wouldn't let it off the trailer because apparently it wasn't appropriate for their park, which is fair enough. So he jumped in with us, and we basically just all cruised around, had a good chat, and it was actually a really good day. But there's some pretty cool footage because it's a Suzuki, full-on little winch truck Suzuki, pretty cool Suzuki, basically, and a GU on 37, so it was like, you know, big versus little. It was pretty cool day. Just did all the waterfall tracks, which was probably the hardest tracks in that park, but it was wet and muddy, so they were, I think Jim drove one of them, but they were it was hard going, and yeah, a bit of fun. I would have loved to have had the data pillar out there on the trips. Probably would have done the hills, I reckon, but all got really ugly, one of the two. But yeah, it was good fun, both twin locked, so it was just a bit of fun, and I thought I'd get the footage off my phone while it's a rainy day, even though it's only like, we were only up there yesterday, so it's about the quickest I've ever got a video up. Anyway, here goes. Groceries. Look what I got in the grocery store, the G60 Patrol. Pretty tidy, huh? Jakey Boys Suzuki. What are you doing, Jakey boy?
Getting the steering back.
Look at you covered in shit. Hang on. What's Jakey doing up there? That was the easy bit up there. What's he doing? Watch your right quarter. It's full of bog. Jimbo that's gentle. Where's the old Jimbo?
It's a tour now, mate.
Yeah, it's a tour for the next couple of months. Oh, yuck. Good little tracks here, aren't they?
Yeah.
Fluffing around on.
Yeah, Montana's definitely going to want to jump out. Maybe Caleb as well, because yeah, she's pretty washed out. There's an exit like right before that.
Shut up. I get copyrighted for that. Well, do you know, one of our ones, I think, I didn't care about it, was, I think one had AC/DC playing in the background. What's that one like? That's the last get out?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like it.
There's a jump out on my left. Is that what we're talking about? Or do we
Probably come the next one.
Yeah, the one right beside the Barra GU now. It's not too bad.
They can't see that, Dad.
Alright, we'll keep coming.
Oh, you can't see around the corner, yeah, but keep coming a bit further. You'll see the next one.
Just before the hard left hander. It's be interesting with a bit of water on it.
Yeah,
I don't think I've ever done
last
it.
time you had no,
Yeah, no lockers or front locker. Or rear
last
locker.
time you had no anything on the figure, and you were just doing burnouts on it.
That mill was like blowing up.
Yeah. And Dad says in the middle of the video, "Where's Bowie?"
Up that way. That's the last out there. From there probably. Bump it from there, might be right. A little bit of right. That's it. It's pretty level, it's just a couple of bumpy rocks, I think. Yeah, no, yeah, righto. Yeah, it's pretty smooth behind, you can go from there if you like. This is a pretty stock GU. He's out already. It's all good. Just stay in the ruts. Is she right?
Just give it like a little bit, because there's a little step there. You just got to.
It's pretty safe. It's just got to stay in the ruts and go right up. This way. Just go this way a bit. Let your front right come over on this side a little bit. That's it. Oh, that was just a little bit more bunty. Oh, they'll come around. There we go.
Yeah, keep going. Turn this way, turn this way.
Stop there.
Straighten your wheels, Montana, and roll back a little bit.
Nah.
You have to give it a bit more, Montana.
So roll back 2 more feet.
Use all that 2.8 power.
Oh, it's 2.8.
Yeah. Keep going, keep going.
About there somewhere, you reckon?
Yeah, give it a bit from there.
You want your wheels straight?
Yeah, straighten your wheels up a bit.
No, left, 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 left. That's it?
Yep.
And just into it from there. Stop over the top. Yep. Beautiful instead. Right. What's it looking like? Oh, Jesus. All that metre of rock packing's been removed, eh?
Yep.
Are
And it's like knee deep in the water.
they tadpoles?
The water bug, apparently. The dinner.
How deep is it? That deep. Yeah, right, eh? Practice?
Yeah.
What do you reckon, Jakey? You're on a timer, mate. You've got to move faster than that.
You missed the water, Jay.
Now he's got to hook the winch up.
Navy's got his hands in his pockets. What's going on there? You got this, Jakey? Just like it was last time, only a metre deeper. Bit angle on the wheels. Drive. I was waiting for it. Left. Other left.
Have you got oil pressure? Shut it down as the oil light comes on.
Oh, I like.
Drop hard into that hole and your door's going to go into the rock.
All that.
Turn that way. Yeah.
Oh, a bit too far, a bit too early.
Turn up.
Alright.
Well, which side are you going? This side?
I was trying to just like get my wheels to try and grab it first, because I think I'm just going to pull bar.
Yeah, if you come close to that stump.
You go one side or the other.
Go back a bit. Shift over a bit. Yeah, you might be right. It might be.
Is the other side a better ramp for the front tyre?
Will be if he comes over a bit. Turn back a bit.
Can I climb that side fully?
Hey?
No, go up towards Jake.
You can try. There used to be a line. You can try it.
I thought we used to drive up here, eh?
Yeah, that was like the first one, and then this was like the second bonus one. So. Right up there.
Just check that. Just check that spring seated properly.
Sounds like spring when spring goes.
Winching size.
always good when there's a step that's always hard anyway and there's water running down it.
Yeah.
You just have to bump that one rock and then land, I think, mate.
No. I think it's going to bump that one, Jake. I think it's going to bump
Just
it.
bump that one, then stop as soon as you're over it, I reckon.
Turn that way a little bit.
Yeah.
Fuck, it's so close, it was up on top.
Should be easier now.
I know.
All the rocks out of the way. Maybe it's different out of that big one.
That's it, it's there. Righto. What's this line going to be?
Jake, you just came straight up this way.
You can do it, JK.
Turn it down. Hard.
Needs to go that way more first.
Yeah.
He missed the ramp on this side.
Right, down this way. Steer. Steer. Yeah, that's your line. Right,
Back and go towards you a bit.
yeah, it's super greasy, otherwise you probably get it.
Balance the rock back a bit.
Go right hand down and give it a bit of a crack at that.
Go.
Go back a foot, not even, half a foot. 150 mil. Stop there.
Bump from there, you will probably be your best
Way
chance.
better than it used to be, Jake.
So you probably see it sticking out.
Yeah, big hole. That's it, run through it.
Oh, one rock in that hole. And there's one more bigger, there's bigger ones in there, I reckon. Just back up maybe 2 foot on that lock and then just back up, give yourself a run up and give it a good go from there.
Bit of a fun.
Now that front right's just jammed in a hole.
Yeah, it's super greasy now.
Where's your strap?
Get a pop.
Fuck, that's slippery. Righto, go back a little bit and then try and ride that front right wheel up that crack. So go back and at that lock, go back about, I know, a couple of foot. Righto, probably stay on that lock. No, a little bit this way, something like that. Give it a little bit of a bump there, see what it does. Have a proper crack.
You could probably give it a bigger bump.
It's pretty safe.
That's almost jumping it. Oh. It's pretty hard on your steering, but you got big arms, don't you?
Maybe a little bit, yeah. Get the front across that way a little bit more, maybe. Righto. Looks pretty promising, doesn't it? I wouldn't stand there. If he gets up, he's going to go. Don't forget when you get up, head back up the track. Don't keep heading right. Too slippery for that.
Yes.
Oh.
Turn this way. Like one wheel gets up and the other one does. That's it. Oh.
He's got no traction in the back when he does that.
Bad.
The back's just in a muddy hole when he gets to that spot. Righto. Keep going.
Back it up a bit. I'll put a rock in that hole. Might be just enough. Alright, bang it up that.
I wonder if he tries to get the front right up that rock without going too far over. Because the back's across this way, he might be able to put the front up on that other rock, eh?
Yeah, we'll try the line Jake took and have this side up on this side and that down in the hole.
That's better? That's good. That is good.
Roll back a bit, just give it a little bump.
Maybe that way a little bit.
Hold there. You're gonna get this. Oh.
Don't go back at all.
So turn a little bit that way. Yeah, alright, give it a bump at that. Jimbo, go back, left hand down. No, left hand down. More left. Wait, no.
pretty close, mate. Hang on, A-beat. Hang on, he's in front of you.
That's very close. So you want to roll into a left hand, right hand down, and then straighten up before you hit this bank. You go back a bit if you want. Hey?
Yeah, you don't want to break anything.
What do you mean? Nah. Yeah, yeah. I think it's hitting this slider on this side. Yeah.
Was that Jimbo making a oh, did it? Are you making a mature decision? Is the other side front spinning? Is that locker on? Yeah, no front locker. Righto. That is slippery. Wow.
Yeah, you lost front locker.
Where's he going? He broke it again. He broke it again.
Yeah, looks like it's swinging, the link's swinging.
Oh, he might have undone it, hopefully. Oh no, he's got to play one track. There is one. It broke at Reedy that day. You need more pace than that, buddy? Well, that's just been great. It's just slop. It's like they've run the grade down the hill and just pushed all the excess into there. Yeah, you're pretty close.
Is it?
Is it getting hot, you say?
Oh, this is the last of the hard stuff.
The last bloke drove it.
Yeah, your sister going
It's probably dry though.
Oh, if it's dry, who cares? You drive it in the Falcons and dry. You got ages, you can go back. Keep going another metre, a metre and a half, whatever. Still another metre. Right, see where you're going? Up around there, then to the right will look the most spectacular. Up to the left, then round to the right. Try and miss the rock. Fuck yeah, into it.
We're in a shit spot though.
well, we can go up that way.
Well, you'd have another decent crack at it. Put your front locker in.
The next dude.
Yeah, that's their problem.
Yeah, we're done.
Anyway, so we can just drop in the can
Yeah.
and then keep going up one.
The fan doesn't come on until 96.
Just watch this side doesn't sink too much. Oh, the track's gonna be. Are these others gonna get through it yet? These guys.
Momentum. He's
Oh.
going to trade this again. This is like bulldozers.
Go straight up and you
Oh, it's just pass. It still won't drive.
I only want a block, eh? I didn't realise it was like that.
Yeah, but it was just a couple
I think we're all going to upgrade our winches, AB. So all we seem to do is winch.
Yeah, lately, eh?
Jess got the right here, £6 on a winch and $1,500 on a car.
Not even moving it.
He's still got no traction.
And this is going to be so fucked when it dries out too, because it's going to be like concrete.
good old Janowen.
I'm
it's
glad
just-
my car was back again.
Oh my god, it's just absorbed all the water, isn't
Still not even driving it. He's fully out of it.
it? Is he driving front at all?
Yeah.
It's one of his.
The driver's side was looked like
Keep going, straight back up the creek. Keep going to that, no worries at all. Much as you want. The old TD rattle. Is that his lock?
Go back.
Oh, it pushes the whole spring hanger over.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Oh,
a little bit more.
wow.
Yeah. Should be easier to turn now. You look nervous, Jake. You look nervous.
How was that, Jakey boy? Was that fun?
I love my steering.
Oh yeah, I'll show you how it works. It's pretty funny from outside.
Yeah.
Oh, Jakey!
Drive up the bank, Jake.
Are they Rancho shocks?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, let it roll back at that. Yep, then go back. Right, now turn. Look at the roll back at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, keep going back. Right, now turn. You see how the shackles are laid right over?
Yeah.
So when he's at full lock, the diff's actually moved over. He's pushing the diff over so he doesn't get... Yeah, the bush, or it's just leaf spring thing.
Is it like
No, it's just Al's car does it, used to do the same. You see how the shackles are laid right over? So when he's at full lock, the diff's actually moved over.
It's just pushing the diff over and not the steering.
Yeah,
Replace the panhard rod bushes. This does more wheel lifts than 62.
show you later how much the shackles are laid over.
Oh, sorry, I wasn't meant to laugh, was I?
Can you get my steering lock? Hold it, mate, as hard as you can. Alright, now slow down. Let it down.
Nice.
Stay at that lock, stay at that lock. Alright, now start to turn back that way a bit. Now turn hard that way. That's it.
That was good. Bit more right.
Yeah, man. Oh, that one. This one's blocked.
How's that paint? Bad strap. That wrapped. Cool, eh?
I love these stones.
Well, that was good, huh?
Like the bloke.
Yeah.
That was cool.
It's a pretty cool car. Really as cool as my GQ.
Got like a stealth rear bar.
Yeah, they're not
people
wide enough though.
think So it's not wide enough for the first time you really. We just we set our run anyway first for the profile of it.
That was nice, wasn't it?
Okay, 5-inch superior.
You all over it, Steph?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
I didn't reckon I'd done it. Pedro said, you've done it before. You've got that rock over the shoulder.
Let's take your back wheel, you just gotta give it a bump.
Hey, Chris, sorry. So you can get the angles you want.
I thought it was something moving behind that. I was like, oh, so mossy and muddy, eh?
You're over the hole. Oh,
Oh, yeah.
well, you did. Did you roll back into it?
Maybe that line would have been
Is there's actually sort of a ramp. If you look at it, there's sort of a ramp up this side. Yeah, it's pretty slippery. Don't let it bounce. Right. What do we got? That all pushed in still? The heat in there is worrying it, I think.
Yeah.
Hit your locker button. Where's that coming from?
Here somewhere, I think.
No, wall back. Do that. Don't let it bounce. No. No. Hey, stop. Oh.
Like I fucking said. One more go from there.
You get, well, from
I feel
me.
like it's going to get so average.
Just one shot of that.
One shot. One opportunity.
Reach out. Yeah, keep an eye on that. Hold up. Did your locker on? Press it on. Back a bit.
Well, there we go. This could be interesting to watch. So I go ass up. Ooh.
Alright, give it a bit of a bump from there.
I just like drive through it instead of like rolling up to the end.
Yeah, maybe back right. Back to the flat and then just get like one big roll through it. Yeah, it's working. I think that might be a job for the cable.
We'll put the string out, eh?
Go forward or back.
String time.
Fuck that, Neil. Step one on it. I was like, wait a second. I didn't do
Oh, other out.
Brother out.
Let the winch do it.
Stop. It was giving no fucks about that.
Scared about the car?
Tuggy. That's not how you treated Rex, Jakey.
Gee, Jakey used to be hopeless at gay chicken. He's getting pretty good at it, isn't he?
Yeah, fucking hell.
Hey. Turn this on. You guys going to give that little mud hole a crack? I was going to say, don't come this way. Is that a reduction gears or not?
I don't think so. Judging by the split.
It's a TD though. That's the shit bit there.
Back and back down, that's going to be fun.
He's actually quite a smooth driver. He took a pretty good line down through that shit earlier.
Under navigation.
No, he wasn't too hardly watching.
He hasn't got the big hole yet. Fucking good brakes.
Has he got brake bias control or something like that, has he?
It's just good brakes.
Oh. Oh, if he hasn't just shit himself. Oh.
That was gnarly. That was sick. Did a 360 with twist.
Well, you certainly entertained us, bud. That was a bit wild.
That was very nice drive.
There's one rock at the top that's covered in mud from the top.
Yeah.
And that's what I got stuck in.
Yeah.
It's like a slightly undercut rock.
It's probably that fuckhead in the GU.
Oh, that's so close, but
That
the muddy rock at the top.
come back down. That didn't put your wind up you when you dropped into that then?
A little bit, but not.
You picked both front wheels up.
Did I?
Yeah, like
Oh, it was-
come up.
Like, I was like, brake, and then
Like now that I know.
Nice job.